Say goodbye to dust and debris with the power of an electric air duster. Whether you're cleaning your keyboard, PC, or other delicate electronics, the right air duster can make a huge difference. In this video, I'll be showing you the top 5 best electric air dusters of 2025 and sharing my personal favorite. From powerful airflow to eco-friendly designs, there's a perfect option for everyone. You'll find links to each product in the description below. For the best deals and exclusive coupon codes, visit our website at couponoffer.net. Starting off our list is the Fulljion 3-gear air duster, a powerful and eco-friendly alternative to traditional compressed air cans. With an upgraded 51,000 RPM motor, this air duster delivers 3 adjustable speed modes, giving you precise control over your cleaning power. Whether you're dusting delicate electronics or tackling stubborn debris, this cordless duster has you covered. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it provides 20 to 30 minutes of continuous use on a single charge. Plus, with USB-C fast charging, it reaches full battery in just 3 to 4 hours. The cordless design and built-in LED light make cleaning effortless, even in dark corners. Perfect for keyboards, PC cases, cars, and more. Plus, with 5 nozzle attachments, you're ready for any cleaning task at home, in the office, or on the go. Unlike disposable air cans, the Fulljion air duster is completely reusable, meaning no waste, no freezing liquid, and no chemical residue, just pure, powerful airflow. The current price of this product is $29 on Amazon. At number 4, we have the YEAHCO electric air duster, a powerful, high-speed cleaning solution designed for versatility and efficiency. Featuring a 300,000 RPM brushless motor, this air duster generates an impressive wind speed of over 120 meters per second with 300 G wind pressure, making it ideal for removing dust and debris from delicate electronics, keyboards, and more. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the airflow to suit different cleaning tasks, whether it's PC maintenance, car detailing, or even fire starting during outdoor adventures. Equipped with a massive 10,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this air duster fully charges in just 2.5 hours and delivers up to 130 minutes of use on low speed. Plus, it includes temperature, current, and short-circuit protection for safe and reliable operation. This air duster is eco-friendly and reusable. It comes with 3 nozzles and 3 brushes, allowing you to tackle a variety of cleaning tasks, from PCs and keyboards to car interiors, and even clearing snow or water off your vehicle. The current price of this product is $59 on Amazon. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Roedix R9 electric air duster, a high-powered, multi-purpose cleaning tool. Powered by a brushless motor, this air duster delivers an incredible 300,000 RPM with wind speeds reaching up to 100 meters per second and an impressive 240 G of wind force, making it perfect for deep cleaning computers, keyboards, and other electronics. One of its standout features is the adjustable airspeed control. Simply slide the button to switch between different power levels for precise cleaning. Plus, with its high-capacity rechargeable battery, the Roedix R9 offers an outstanding 180 minutes of continuous use on low speed. It also supports fast charging via USB-C, reaching a full charge in just 3.5 hours. Beyond just electronics, this multifunctional air duster can be used to clean car interiors, blow away dust and debris, remove snow and leaves, and even help start campfires during outdoor adventures. Designed with portability in mind, the Roedix R9 is compact, lightweight, and comfortable to hold, ensuring a great user experience wherever you go. The current price of this product is $59 on Amazon. At number 2, we have the Fresmol air duster, a powerful cleaning tool designed to tackle dust and debris with ease. Equipped with a high-speed 100,000 RPM motor, this air duster features 3 adjustable airflow settings, delivering up to 2.51 ahs of blowing power. You can customize the airflow to suit your needs. One of its standout features is the fast charging capability and LED display. The built-in 7,500 mAh battery provides 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use, while the Type-C fast charging fully recharges the device in just 3 to 4 hours. The high-definition LED screen keeps you informed about the battery level and wind speed, ensuring you're always in control. The Fresmol air duster is not only environmentally friendly but also cost-effective and energy efficient. It even comes with LED lights, making it easy to clean dark corners effortlessly. This versatile air duster includes 5 different nozzles and 3 brushes, allowing you to clean keyboards, office desks, car interiors, and electronic devices. It even works for blowing charcoal for barbecues or inflating swimming rings, a true multi-purpose tool. The current price of this product is $36 on Amazon. At the top spot on our list is the WOLFBOX MF100 Air Duster, a powerful and versatile cleaning tool that outperforms traditional compressed air cans. It's powered by a high-speed 150,000 RPM turbofan, generating an impressive wind speed of 45 meters per second. With 3 adjustable speed settings, you can easily adapt it to different cleaning tasks. This air duster comes with 5 nozzles and 2 brushes, making it perfect for PCs, keyboards, car interiors, and household cleaning. Beyond dusting, it's also great for inflating gear, managing campfires, and other outdoor uses, adding to its versatility. This air duster is built to last over 500 uses, making it an eco-friendly and cost-effective choice. Its durable construction and long battery life ensure you get maximum value for your investment. With Type-C fast charging, this air duster reaches a full charge in just 2.5 hours, delivering up to 100 minutes of continuous use on low speed. Plus, with 4 different charging options, you'll never have to worry about running out of power. The current price of this product is $89 on Amazon. If you're looking for the best electric air duster of 2025, this is the ultimate choice. If you're interested in any of these products, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech reviews, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.